What are defense mechanisms and what is the purpose of their existence?
Defense mechanisms are practically very complex physical, emotional and mental structures that a human being is forming during lifetime. And if there is a purpose in the existence of these defense mechanisms, we can say that the purpose is simply ensuring a sort of a safe life. Well, the word purpose, I would find it incorrect because in general the yogic tradition considers the existence of a defense mechanism rather a kind of a mistake. It is like imagine having in a certain part of a body a wound. Then if that doesn't heal very quickly and we carry it with us, then sooner or later we will develop an entire set of gestures and attitudes which are meant to protect that part of the body so it doesn't hurt any longer or it doesn't get even worse in that perspective. So that is what is a defense mechanism, a structure which is meant to cover up different type of wounds that we collected during the lifetime and to, by this, ensure that life is more or less safe.
And which are the main defense mechanisms?
Generally, the tradition talks about five fundamental ones, and they are in connection to various or different modalities of dealing with our own energies. Now, the names are not necessarily very suggestive. Often people, when they hear them, they somehow misinterpret them as being simple psychological characteristics. I could give examples, psychopath or schizoid, which sounds a bit like a person which has mental disturbances. Now, I can't say why the names were chosen in this way, but to a certain extent it is true that when such a mechanism would go to such an extent unattended, might lead even to such a behavior which is unbalanced, like psychopathic behavior. So they are the oral, the schizoid, the psychopath, the rigid, and the masochist. These are the names of the typologies.
Thank you.